Hi everyone, Kim from Expression Artworks here. I'm making this fun rustic home sign, and I got the wood cut out home from Hobby Lobby, and I'm painting the rooftop and the chimney with actually a gel stain from Dixie Belle called Black Magic. So it's kind of a combination of a paint and a stain. Then I took Dixie Belle chalk paint in sandbar to paint the surface and the sides of the house. I really like the contrast of the two. I have this really cool brick lay pattern stencil from Essential Stencil, so I had wanted to do that on the surface of the house. So I used Ice Mocha by Folk Art and stenciled those bricks on. When I got down to the bottom, I had to go back to that top area where the roof point is in the center and just add a little bit more to that area to fill it in. From here, I took a home stencil that I had, also from Essential Stencil, and I chose to put that on at the bottom of the house in the same black that I used for the rooftop. From here, I took the same iced mocha color that I used for the bricks, and I just went around the edges, giving it a soft border. I decided at the end to put some ribbon and a button on top to kind of fill in that top area. Thanks for watching.